Good morning, everyone. This is Mark with Wear Parts, and I've got Eric Derry with us today from our inside sales customer care team, and we want to go over row crop sweeps. Just some of the things about our sweeps. All of our sweeps are a high quality boron steel, tempered boron steel, tempered to 48 to 52 Rockwell, and then you do also have the option for hard facing using our special cold metal transfer or CMT process. Eric, tell us a little bit about what are row crop sweeps used for?
Row crop sweeps are going to be used during the season to kill weeds that come up as your crops are growing. So before your crops are high enough to be able to shade out the weeds, you're going to have to do something to kill them off. So you're going to run a sweep down in between the rows to kill off those weeds before they get too tall and start choking out your crop.
Gotcha. And so we have two options here, right? We've got a narrow shank and a wide shank option on our row crop sweep. What's the differences?
Looking at the narrow shank, when you bolt it on, the shank that it mounts on is actually going to be 1 3/4 wide.
Okay.
And you're looking at a 55-degree angle for your stem. So that'll be coming up at 55. Another thing too that's a little bit different is that it has the 7/16 holes, plow bolts, on 2-inch centers with a 5/8 carriage bolt in the middle. So you have a couple options to be able to mount it. When you go to the wide shank, there's a few differences here. Let's grab this one here. It's a little bit smaller, a little easier to hold on to. So on this one, this is for the wide shank cultivators. This is for a 2-inch wide shank.
Okay.
And then you go up to 1/2-inch bolts with the 5/8 in the middle.
So the narrow ones are 7/16 on 2-inch.
Right.
These are 1/2 inch on 2 1/4.
Correct.
With the 50-degree stem angle
Right.
on the wide shank. So that's just something to be sure of, isn't it? That you make sure that you order the right sweep
Correct.
for your cultivator.
A couple other things too. We got the CMT transfer, which is available on all of these, either top or bottom hard faced. This particular one is a bottom hard faced. See the nice bead right there down on the bottom, and then there's a pad on the top to protect that nose.
To just give you longer wear. I think just a couple of the things that with our boron steel base material and our CMT hard facing process, it gives the farmer three benefits, and that's a longer wear life and reduced downtime, resulting in lower cost per acre.
Absolutely. A nice thing about the CMT transfer, the cold metal, is the key word is cold. It's a lower heat input, so you're not diluting the hard facing material. You're not having, you have less potential of cracking, and you also do not have, you're not changing any of the tempering that's in the base material itself.
Material, yes.
So once that hardened material, it's going to stay that same hardness because we're not putting the heat into it like we would be with a oxyacetylene or a other type of arc welding hard facing.
Yes, because it's about roughly, the heat is roughly around 1/3 of what it is on other types of hard facing, so you're able to not pull your temper out of your base material. So, well, that sums up our row crop cultivator sweeps. If you have any questions or requests, please feel free to reach out to our customer care team at 1-888-4-BLADES. Thank you.